little friends, it's Abby. Welcome to my coloring show. Today we will color and learn the letter X. I start by using red to color the letter X. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below. Then I use orange. I color a Ximenia orange. Ximenia is a word that starts with the letter X. X! Ximenia! Ximenia is a fruit that is also called wild plum. This is a yellow color. Green color. Sky blue color. Dark blue color. Purple color. X. Xylophone. Xylophone is a musical instrument. What words start with the letter X? Do you know? X. Christmas tree. Do you like Christmas? Christmas is my favorite holiday. I color the Xmas tree green. Great job! Today we learned about the letter X. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye!